All right, Roy's Caribbean Restaurant and Groceries, the original location here in Albany, New York. A few years ago, they opened a location on State Street in Schenectady. And then that changed hands to a new Caribbean restaurant. Love Mr. Roy's Wings. And we're gonna head in here. It's easy to get here off of exit 24. Take I-90 east towards the Arbor Hill exit 6. Get off the exit at exit 6. And you come right onto Henry Johnson Boulevard. You got to go around the block and park either behind the restaurant or right next to the police station. And they're open, and we're heading in here for some jerk wings as an appetizer. Yes, beef patties galore, beef patties, beef patties. Here you got the hot pepper. Dining room area. Here's the menu. And they've got a wing dinner special. Down here you can have either barbecue wings, jerk wings, or fried wings. Now look at those. Look at those jerk wings, folks. I've got 6 of those and I'm going to go sit down and enjoy them. Roy's Caribbean Cuisine and Grocery. Look how tender those wings are. Mr. Roy and Roy's Caribbean Cuisine their second location was on State Street in Schenectady, as I told you earlier. They were there for years, and I see Mr. Roy out every once in a while at Restaurant Depot and other places. And it's hard to run 2 locations, so he closed the Schenectady location and helped another business owner take over that location for a Caribbean restaurant, and then came back to his original location here. Now let me tell you about the Henry Johnson Boulevard location here. So many lawyers and politicians and who's in Albany come here for lunch during the week. These are folks that have traveled to the Caribbean many times, love Jamaican and Caribbean cuisine, and again, look how tender these Jamaican Jerk Wings are. Absolutely delicious, and they're so filling. I've only eaten 4, and I'm already full here at Roy's. Whatever you do, whether you decide to keep them roasted as jerk wings, or you do them like Roy's Caribbean Restaurant, which actually sells. Roy's is back in Albany on Henry Johnson Boulevard. They sell the Walker Woods traditional spicy hot and mild jerk seasoning. And like I told you, Mr. Roy finishes his jerk wings, his Caribbean jerk wings, by taking the roasted ones and giving them a quick fry and letting the sauce reduce down in the pan. So you have that on the side, and you can see how thick that sauce is. I'm going to try that and see how it is. Oh, that's tasty. Now, I want to try one of these wings without adding extra sauce. Oh, yeah. Make sure you have a lot of paper towels nearby. You can take the bus here if you wanted to. The Henry Johnson Boulevard location of Roy's is a very safe neighborhood. The parking lot is right there next to the police station, and a safe neighborhood during the day. We love this restaurant and highly recommend that you get over to Roy's Caribbean Restaurant on Henry Johnson Boulevard in Albany, New York. We hope you enjoyed this video from Taste and Shop magazine. Go to our website, tasteandshop.com.